How to create a CamScanner account. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So before creating your CamScanner account, you need to have CamScanner application on your device. So you can easily find that application on your Google Play Store. So simply go for Google Play Store and you have to tap in the search bar and search for CamScanner. Once you do that, you'll be easily able to see this application. You have to simply tap on install option and it will take a few time to install it on your device, which depends upon your internet connection. And once it's installed, you can go for open. After that, you'll be able to see this interface. You can simply go for next over here, and from over here you can go for continue. So since CamScanner is for scanning photos and media, you have to allow CamScanner to have access to your photos and medias on your device. So simply tap on allow and you'll be able to see the home page of CamScanner over here. So in order to create your account, you need to tap on me option in the right bottom corner. And here you'll be able to see the various options for sign in, which is Google, mobile phone or email. You can sign in or register by using the same method. You can also go for account option over here, and in this section you have to enter your email or mobile number with which you want to register to CamScanner. Once you are done, you can go for next, and once again you have to go for next option by selecting your country and country code. So a verification code will be sent to your phone number. You have to simply wait for it, and when you receive that, you have to enter this code over here. If you have a problem or if you didn't receive a code, then you can go over have a problem option and you'll be given a next solution for your problem. So after entering the code, you'll be able to see the text field over here. So in this section, you need to create a new password for your CamScanner account. Remember, you need to create a password with at least 6 characters. Simply tap over there and you have to create. Once you're done, you can go for start to use option and it will be signed in. And few seconds later, you can see my account has been created and has been displayed in the upper section. So this is how you create a CamScanner account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.